Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from an external bank account in 2025. With the rise of digital banking, this process has become faster and more secure than ever. Whether you're sending money to a family member, paying off a loan, or just managing your finances across banks, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to ensure your accounts are linked and verified. Start by logging into your primary bank's app or website. Most major banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo have user-friendly interfaces. Look for the Transfers or Payments section. Here, you'll add your external account by entering the account number, routing number, and the bank's name. Don't worry, it's straightforward, but always double-check the details to avoid any hiccups. Once the external account is added, the system might require verification. In 2025, this often involves micro-deposits, small test amounts sent to and from the external account that you'll confirm in your app. This step enhances security and prevents fraud, so it's a good thing. After verification, you're ready to initiate the transfer. Select the amount you want to move, choose the accounts involved, and set any preferences like the transfer date or speed. Standard transfers are free but take 1 to 3 business days, while instant options might incur a small fee. Now, a quick tip: always review for any hidden fees. Some banks charge for external transfers, especially if it's over a certain amount. Also, prioritize security, use two-factor authentication, and never share sensitive info. If you're dealing with international transfers, check exchange rates and any additional requirements. Wrapping this up, transferring money between banks in 2025 is easier than ever, but stay vigilant. Give it a try with a small amount first to get comfortable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.